Hi friends, today's topic nutrition type of bacteria. It's me Anina Kayof, first year MSc Biology, St. Mary's College, Thrissur. We can divide bacteria on the basis of the electron source. There are phototrophs and chemotrophs. Phototrophs are organisms which can utilize light as an energy source. Chemotrophs, there are bacteria gain energy from the chemical compounds. They cannot carry out the photosynthesis. On the basis of electron source, there are two types of bacteria, lithotrophs and organotrophs. Lithotrophs are organisms can use reduced organic compounds as electron donor. Organotrophs, there are organisms can use organic compounds as electron donor. Photolithotrophs, there are bacteria gain energy from light and use reduced inorganic compounds such as H2S as source of electron. Chemotrophs, there are bacteria gain energy from reduced inorganic compounds such as NH3 as a source of electron. Photoorganotrophs, there are bacteria gain energy from light and use organic compounds such as succinate as a source of electron. Chemoorganotrophs, there are bacteria gain energy from organic compounds such as glucose and amino acid as source of electron. On the basis of carbon source, bacteria can divide into autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are bacteria that can synthesize all their food from inorganic substance. There are two types, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Heterotrophic bacteria that obtain their ready-made food from the organic substance, living or dead. Most of pathogenic bacteria of human beings, other than other plants and animals, are heterotrophs. There are two types, heterotrophs, photo and chemoheterotrophs. Photoautotropic bacteria capture the energy of sunlight and transfer into chemical energy. In this process, CO2 is reduced to carbohydrate. The hydrogen donor is water and the process produces free oxygen. There are examples, purple sulfur bacteria. They obtain energy from the sulfur compounds. Then green sulfur bacteria. This bacteria use hydrogen sulfide as a hydrogen donor. Chemoautotrophic bacteria that do not require light and pigment for their nutrition. This bacteria oxidize certain inorganic substance with the help of the atmospheric oxygen. Example, sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria, then iron bacteria. Carbon, then the carbon bacteria. Then photoheterotrophic bacteria that can utilize light energy but cannot use carbon dioxide as their sole source of carbon. Then chemoheterotrophs they obtain both carbon and energy from the organic compounds such as carbohydrate, lipids and proteins. There are three main categories in chemoheterotrophs. There are saprophytic, parasitic and symbiotic. Saprophytic bacteria, they obtain their energy from the dead and organic decaying matter such as leaves, roots. These bacteria secrete enzyme to digest the food and absorb it. Parasitic bacteria thus obtain their nutrition from the tissue of the host on which they grow. Symbiotic bacteria, thus bacteria living close association with their organism as symbionts that are beneficial to the organism. This is the reference. Thank you.